Kubulajun Fibro, Kaneka Jumtip Namta tu Kiba Kwah Pule, Yaka course B.Tech, Kabadepo Nagaland University. Tiakaneka notice advertisement Lapnami the Office of the Director of Higher Technical Education Meghalaya Shillong. Dengan pulih kum kaneka notice namta jingtip ki wede berkane kumno ban submit online kumno ban submit offline ek jinon kam namta kane. Admission notice application are invited from the candidate who are permanent resident of Meghalaya for admission to 4-year B.Tech program for the academic session 2023-24 at School of Engineering and Technology Nagaland University. Kene ke Nagaland University te khot ling ba ka Office of the Director Technical Education jong Sarkar Meghalaya. Te course kiba ai hangne hapo ka Nagaland University kilong B.Tech Agriculture Engineering and Technology, B.Tech Biotechnology, B.Tech Computer Science and Engineering, B.Tech Electronic and Communication Engineering, B.Tech Information Technology. Tikidon gumne santali course e gibdai hakalan B.Tech tikila da pikwa ban apply sale igidon kambaro kumno ban sombet igine. Eligible candidate can apply using one of the below mode. Sila ban apply da kaba hipnon kam negine gi mode bahapo kala ban deka online na kala ban deka offline. Online submission apply online using the link below. Te yakane ka link an sabu hapo description ada pikwa ban apply online. Te la sedang nadu art khandai tarik jong banai Jun bat kan kut nadu new tarik jong u banai Julai kapo san baje janmit. Te yagi bakwa ban submit offline part klik mno ya ka form phap download napo ka website jong ka makeeducation.gov.in tenga sabu e ka link jong aneru ban download ya ka application form kila bu ka website. Respective forms are to be downloaded from Tingneru kajuhi nadu arp khandai tarik jumlah Jun kan kut nadu new tarik Julai arjar fly. Complete form 2 copies accompanied with self-attested copies of all the documents should reach the Office of the Director of Higher and Technical Education Meghalaya Shillong on or before 7 July. Kenilworth Road, Office Shillong Public School, Layum Kra Kiba Kwah submit offline. Tidak Kwah submit online beda pisuk pendapat online. Further, all candidates are requested to visit http://www.makeeducation.gov.in for detail of eligibility criteria branches extra. Form will not be distributed from the office. Ka office kanam I form fi phaban page online na kana website makeeducation.gov.in. Namta ki jingti bok hamnia te rakwa ban pendap online te sa page ka link hapo description na offline ru page ka link ha description ban download ka form. Tenda kamta ki eligibility criteria tenda pila pendap online lapan yang tu te den comeback jaka PCM bat ka PCMB ken pe jaka percentage yang kitu gi artali gipan te pinsajit choice yang tu kala don napok form an I choice margi don santali pi I first choice kano second choice third choice fourth choice fifth choice terter te sa pendap itu gi don kamaro la dapi ko ban apply hakane ka Nagaland University lengba ka Government of Meghalaya Office of the Director of Technical Education. Te sampai iki link baru apa ka description, nak apa apply, dan download ya ka application form. Tangini jumpa, boleh jumpa.